What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a while since I last uploaded a video. I think it's been a little bit longer than 2 weeks. I've just been kind of in like a bit of a creative drought. Haven't really been able to figure out what to do, but I came up with a pretty cool idea, and today's look is going to be a pink fuchsia alien sort of look. So if you guys want to see me do that, then keep on watching this video. Before we get into the video, I just want to say that if you hear like a sort of like weird buzzing noise and like car noises like going by, it's just because I'm filming right by a window, and like that sound is just coming right through, and I'm sorry about that. My air conditioner's on, so it might be making a bit of a buzzing noise as well, so I'm sorry, but you're just gonna have to kind of deal with it before I get a better microphone for filming purposes. So with that being said, let's jump right into the tutorial. So I've already gone ahead and primed my skin with the NYX pore filler. For today's look, I'm going to be doing fuchsia skin. So I bought the NYX SFX Crim color in the shade fuchsia, and it just looks like this. And we're going to put that all over our forehead area. Now in the center of our forehead, I'm going to be using the Snazaroo Cream Makeup in Clown White. I've never used this product, so this is going to be my first time testing it out. Hopefully it works. Now going in with that same brush that we used to do the fuchsia color, we are going to blend that out even more. For my eyebrows today, I'm going to be using Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Abused. And we're just going to do our normal brow routine. So if you've seen one of my other videos, you'll know exactly how to do this. So I'm just going to kind of speed through this real fast. Going back in with that Clown White by Snazaroo, I'm going to clean up underneath my eyebrows. Now to set all that in place, I'm going to be taking some baby powder. Just to brighten up the inner part of the forehead, I'm going to be taking Taco by Sugar Pill and just blending that out. To add a little bit of contour to our forehead, we are going to be going into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm just going to be taking this deep purple shade down here on the bottom. So taking I'm Royalty by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I'm going to put that into our crease, and I'm going to draw a sharp line. From here, we're going to blend upwards. Taking the same purple shade that we just used for our contour, I'm going to buff that onto where we put the crease line. Now to carve out our crease, I'm going to be using the Snazaroo Clown White yet again. While the white is still tacky, you want to apply Acid Berry by Sugar Pill onto the lid. Now going back into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, I'm going to take the middle green shade right here, and I'm going to apply that on the inner corner. Next, taking my Hella Fine That's the Point liner from NYX, I'm going to draw on some very thick liner. Alright, so this is the eyeliner. Now we can move on to the lower half of our face. So again, taking that fuchsia shade from NYX's Cream Colors, I'm going to apply that all over the lower half of my face and my neck. Alright, so now that we look like this, we need to bring some more life to the face because it's looking very flat. So we're going to take some of the Clown White from Snazaroo once again, and we are going to put that into the highlights, the bridge of our nose, and right under our cheek, just to make it look sort of like a sharp cut contour. Taking my same brush that I used to apply the pink, I'm going to blend that area out. And taking a little bit more Snazaroo Clown White, we are going to carve out our cheek. To reinforce the contour on my cheek, I'm going to be taking the purple shade from the Zulu palette once again, and just for a flat surface, I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star palette as a clean line. And going back in with that purple once again, we are going to put that on our nose for our nose contour. To help blend out the purple, we are going to be taking the shade Star Power from the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Beauty Killer palette. Now going back into our Clown White, I'm going to re-intensify the white on our nose. And just to set that, we are going to be taking Taco by Sugar Pill. So continuing on with the lower half of our eyes, I'm going to be taking the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Drug Lord, and I'm going to apply that on my lower waterline, and I'm going to extend it out in the inner corner. So I just went ahead and set the white of my eye with the Taco by Sugar Pill, and I went ahead and extended the inner corner with my black liner. So taking the shade I'm Royalty again, I'm going to line where I put the white and blend outwards. And once again, I'm going to take that shade from the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to blend out that purple. Alright, so for my highlighter today, I'm going to be using Peach Goddess by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. It's the only real like pinky sort of highlight that I have, and I really just kind of want to use it. I'm going to add Ice Cold by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So I noticed that my top lip is looking a little bit dark, so I'm just going to take a little bit of Taco by Sugar Pill and just brighten it up. To prep my lashes, I'm going to put some mascara on my top and my bottom lashes. For my false lashes today, I'm going to be using a double stacked pair of 301 lashes from elegantlashes.com. So for my lipstick today, I'm going to be using Weirdo by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, but before that, I'm going to line my lips using a Wet n Wild eyeliner pen in the shade Baby's Got Black, just so I have something to fill in and make the lipstick look a little bit more crisp. taking a small buffer brush, I'm going to kind of take away some of the makeup on the outer corner and kind of make it look a little bit more smudged. Now taking Ice Cold by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I'm going to brush that over the black lipstick. This is a really good trick if you want to make any sort of lipstick look a little bit more metallic. Just add some highlighter over top. So even though I've turned myself into an alien, I'm still going to add some moles just to, I don't know, add something else to the look. And around the highlight area, I'm going to add some white dots, and I'm going to be using the NYX Liquid Liner in white. So I just gone ahead and added a few more white dots just around the mouth area. So that does it for the makeup look. I just need to put my wig and my costume on, and I will be right back with the completed look. So this is the completed alien fantasy look. There's this one scene in the first Guardians of the Galaxy movie where, what's his name? So there's this one scene in Guardians of the Galaxy where Yondu's like with like a bunch of like, I don't want to say prostitutes, but they're like basically half naked, like dancing around him. There's like these like really colorful girls, and I was kind of inspired by that. So yeah, that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here. If you're not already, make sure you guys subscribe down below and hit the little notification bell just so you're notified every single time I upload a video. And if you guys want to, you can subscribe and follow all of my other social medias all right here. My glove fades into the background because it's pitch black. Tight. But yeah, that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for being here, and until the next one, I will have to say goodbye. Bye guys!